This is the west elevator at the University Center, University of Southern Indiana. It's the west wing. Oh, what? Huh. Well, here we are down at the lower level. I don't know what the heck I just found, but this looks like a Dover that got a slap-on mod with GAL. This is really strange. This looks like it was a Dover, but seems to have gotten a slap-on mod. Here we are up at 2. Oh, that is bell happy, that's for sure. All right, let's get a cab view. This thing is pretty weird, but it's got a neat and vintage cab, but got a slap-on mod with GAL, and it has a 3,000 pound capacity. This is so weird. Wow. And there it goes. That'll be it.